Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams app, you should just go to Settings. After that, you click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Microsoft Teams. Then this page of app info, we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of Storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause your errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.